So monochromatous, here monochromatous is nothing but it is a device which converts polychromatic beam of light into monochromatic monochromatic beam. Okay, beam is nothing but light rays, so nothing but polychromatic beams. ఇప్పుడు మీకు నంబర్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ రేస్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, అది మోనోక్రోమాటిక్ మీన్స్ సింగిల్ లైన్. ఓకే, సింగిల్ లైట్ రే కన్వర్ట్ అయితే దాన్ని మోనోక్రోమాటస్ అని అంటారు. ఓకే, సో మోనోక్రోమాటస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ it is a device which converts a polychromatic beam of light, okay, into monochromatic beam. Okay, so here it consists the following parts. Okay, first is, suppose you think this is a radiation source. Okay, radiation source, any light source is applied here. Okay, so from this radiation source the light rays will flow, go like this. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఒక లైట్ ఏదైనా ఆన్ చేసినప్పుడు లైట్ రేస్ రూమ్ అంతా లైట్ రేస్ తోనే నిండిపోతుంది, అట్లా అన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో లైట్ రేస్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, హియర్ ఇన్ యూవి, ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎంట్రన్స్ స్లిట్. ఓకే, entrance slit. From this entrance slit there will be a collimator is nothing but it is a mirror. Collimator 1. Okay, then next these light rays will go through prism. Okay, prism. So again these light rays will enter into collimator 2. Okay, so after this light rays coming to the entering into the prism, again this prism will reflects into number of light rays. Means here see, only monochromatic lights are there, here only single lines are there. This is going to polychromatic means number of lines. Okay, okay, so this is introduced again collimator. Again this is the exit slit. So exit slit, so here what happens, the light rays will come like this. So number of light rays are occurred. Okay, so this is nothing but representing schematic diagram representing light scattering through monochromator. Okay, so each one part I will explain now. First, radiation source, already we discussed, now only radiation source. Okay, then entrance slit. So what is entrance slit here? This nothing but it defines the incoming beam of polychromatic light into a narrow beam to avoid overlapping of monochromatic images. Okay, so here entrance slit is used for nothing but incoming beam of polychromatic light. ఇన్కమింగ్ లైట్ మీన్స్ ఎంట్రన్స్ స్లిట్ నుంచే కదా ఈ లైట్స్ అన్ని ఇన్కమ్ చేసుకుంటుంది తీసుకుంటుంది. ఓకే, ఇన్కమింగ్ బీమ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ పాలిక్రోమాటిక్ లైట్, ఓకే, ఇంటూ ఏ నారో బీమ్ టు అవాయిడ్ ఓవర్లాపింగ్ ఆఫ్ మోనోక్రోమాటిక్ images. Okay, next collimator 1. This collimator 1 is nothing but it collimates or makes parallel the radiations which is coming from the entrance slit. Okay, so here collimator 1 is nothing but it collimates or parallel or makes parallel the radiations coming from the entrance slit. Okay, so next, prism. So here we can use prisms or gratings. Prism or gratings. In monochromator there are two types, prism and gratings. Okay, so here this prism is used for disperses the radiation. It disperses the radiation with respect to the component wavelength. Okay, with respect to the component wavelength. Okay, next collimator 2. So these nothing but it reforms the images of the, it reforms అంటే ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఎంట్రన్స్ collimator 1 entrance slit, so which is coming from the entrance slit, this collimator 2 will the images will, it will be reform. Okay, images reform. Okay, of the entrance slit. Next, what is exit slit? Okay, exit slit is nothing but it selects a narrow band of dispersed spectrum for observation by the detector. Okay, so this is the example diagram for monochromatous. Okay, so here monochromatous. So monochromatous types. So already I told what are the two types of monochromatous. First one is prism monochromator types. Okay, first one is prism monochromator and second one is grating monochromatous. Okay, grating monochromatous. So these prism monochromatous are nothing but it is usually made up of glass or quartz or fused silica. Okay, so these nothing but this prism is used for disperse the polychromatic light falling on them into its component rainbow colors according to the wavelength. Okay, so all of you wait a minute. Okay, so this prism is containing glass, quartz or fused silica and they disperse the polychromatic light falling on them into its component rainbow colors according to their wavelengths. మీరు కలరిమెట్రీ చూసారా ఎప్పుడైనా ల్యాబ్ లో? రెడ్ కలర్ లో ఉంటుంది ఎక్విప్మెంట్, చూడలేదా? రెస్పాన్స్ అవ్వండి ఎవరో ఒకరు. అట్లయినా చెప్పండి కనీసం. సో కోలిమేటర్ అది కలరిమెట్రీలో ఏంటంటే ఒక్కొక్క వేవ్ లెంత్ కి ఒక్కొక్క కలర్స్ చూపిస్తుంది, విబ్జిఆర్ కలర్స్. ఓకే, అర్థమైందా? ఓకే, సో దీంట్లో ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రిజమ్ ఇట్ కంటైనింగ్ టూ టైప్స్ అగైన్, దట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ refractive type and second one is reflective type. So here in this first one refractive type. Okay, so refractive type this is a prism. Okay, here one white light is introduced, white light. Okay, this is normal light. Normal means like sun rays or any other rays. Okay, so ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే from these the light rays will converts into polychromatic lights, that is VIBGYOR colors, rainbow colors. Okay, VIBGYOR colors 7 colors 8 So VIBGYOR colors. Okay, so what is VIBGYOR full form? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay. Okay. So this is the refractive type diagram. So here nothing but light from the radiation source is passing. ఇప్పుడు ఇందాక మీరు ఇది చూసారు కదా డయాగ్రామ్, ఇక్కడ చూడండి రేడియేషన్ సోర్స్ నుంచి లైట్ పాస్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, త్రూ ఎంట్రన్స్ స్లిట్. ఓకే, త్రూ ఎంట్రన్స్ స్లిట్ అండ్ ఫాల్స్ ఆన్ ద collimator 1. These radiations are collimated and dispersed into component wavelengths by the prism. So from this prism the light rays will go. Okay, number of light rays are formed. Okay, so these light rays, what happens here, this collimator 2, it will reforms the images of the entrance slit into any one of the 7 colors. Okay, any one of the 7 colors. Okay, so this required wavelength is selected by either rotating the prism or by keeping the prism stationary and moving the exit slit. Okay, so aim ledu, just this diagram is explained. Okay, this radiation source, the light rays is um, light from the radiation source, okay, is passing through the entrance slit and falls on the collimator 1. Okay, so again what happened here, the radiations are collimated and dispersed into multiple means component wavelengths by the prism. Okay, and the collimator 2 reforms the images of the entrance slit, okay, into any one of the 7 colors, any one of the 7 colors. The 7 colors are nothing but VIBGYOR colors. Okay, so here the required wavelength, okay, required wavelength is selected by either rotating the prism. How it is selected? By rotating the prism, rotating the prism. Okay, or by keeping the prism stationary and moving the exit slit. Okay, this is about refractive type of prism. Okay, next one is reflective type of prism. Reflective type of prism. So this reflective type of prism is nothing but okay, incident light. So from these 7 colors, 1, 7 VIBGYOR colors. Okay, okay, VIBGYOR colors. Here this is nothing but 100% reflective coating, 100% reflective coating. ఏమైంది? పడుకున్నావా? సెల్లు పడలే, నా చేతిలో పట్టుకున్నా. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so this is nothing but 100% reflective coating. Okay, so this coating is nothing but it is done by aluminized. Okay, so this reflective type is also called as litteroprism. Okay, so here the intensity of incident light is entering into this prism, and this here what happening, this 100% reflective coating is applied. This coating is applied with aluminized. Okay, and here by this incident light is entering to this reflective coating, the VIBGYOR colors are expressed. Okay, VIBGYOR rays are came. So next, it is working, its working is similar to refractive prism, but it consists of a reflective surface on one side. Okay, ikkada reflective surface em ledu, but here one side the reflecting surface is consist. Okay, so this what happens here, the light does not pass through the another side. So here what happening, two sides the light is passing, but here only one side is only one side is passing. Okay, so the light will does not pass through the other side of the prism. Okay, so here the dispersed radiations are reflected. Dispersed radiations are reflected and collected on the same side, on which the radiations from the source falls. Okay, so ikkada idenట, in this reflective the incident light ఎక్కడైతే ఫాల్ అవుతుందో అక్కడ నుంచే మీకు విబ్జ్యూర్ లైట్స్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, సో these are the dispersed radiations which are reflected and collected on the same side on which the radiations from the source falls. Okay, this is about reflective type of prism. Okay, so up to here enough. Tomorrow we will discuss about grating. Tomorrow we will continue the other class, another topic. Okay, so this is about today's class. Any doubts in this components? డౌట్ రావాలి కదా, ఎందుకు వస్తలేదు?